Cryptocurrency, huh? What's that all about? If you've been hearing about it and wondering what the fuss is about, then this video is for you. We'll explain everything you need to know about crypto in under 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. Imagine if you could send money to anyone in the world without needing a bank. No middlemen, no waiting, just direct, fast, and secure payments. That's the magic of cryptocurrency. It's a digital form of money that lives on the internet. It doesn't come in the form of coins or paper. It exists only electronically and is secured by advanced cryptography, hence the name crypto. The most well-known cryptocurrency? Bitcoin. But there are thousands more, like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin. But why should you care? Well, here's why millions of people are talking about it and investing in it. 1. Decentralization. Most currencies are controlled by governments or banks, meaning they're centralized. But cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They operate on a peer-to-peer network called a blockchain. That means no central authority controls your money. You do. 2. Borderless. Sending money internationally through traditional banks can take days and come with high fees. With crypto, it can take seconds or minutes and at a fraction of the cost. 3. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrency allows people in remote areas, those without access to banks, to store, send, and receive money with just a smartphone and an internet connection. 4. Investment and innovation. Crypto isn't just about currency. It's also a technology revolution. From smart contracts to NFTs, non-fungible tokens or digital collectibles, to decentralized finance, DeFi, it's opening new doors for innovation. And speaking of innovation, did you know that AI is also changing the world? Check out this video to learn more. All right, now that you know why crypto matters, let's dig into the how. 1. Blockchain. At the heart of every cryptocurrency is the blockchain. It's a public digital ledger where every transaction is recorded. Think of it as a transparent notebook that everyone can see but no one can erase. Each block contains a group of transactions. Once verified, it's added to the chain, hence blockchain. 2. Cryptography. Every transaction is encrypted and secured. Once recorded, a transaction can't be changed. This makes fraud or hacking extremely difficult. 3. Miners, validators. In Bitcoin, transactions are confirmed by people called miners who use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. When they solve one, they get rewarded with new Bitcoins. This is called proof of work. Other cryptos like Ethereum are shifting to proof of stake, where users lock up their coins to help validate transactions, using far less energy. 4. Wallets. To use cryptocurrency, you need a wallet, an app or device that stores your crypto securely. Think of it as your digital pocket. So now you understand the basics, but why are so many people going crazy over it? Here are 4 reasons. 1. Freedom. Crypto gives you back control of your money. No more relying on banks or governments, just freedom to manage your finances your way. But wait, is it all sunshine and rainbows? Unfortunately, not entirely. Like any new technology, crypto comes with growing pains. 1. Volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly in short periods, leading to both big gains and big losses. It's a double-edged sword. 2. Scams and frauds. Not all crypto projects are legit. Many have the potential to be great, but others are pure scams looking to steal your money. It's important to research before you invest. 3. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still playing catch-up. The lack of clear rules can make investing feel risky. However, this also presents an opportunity for those who can navigate the space successfully. Overall, cryptocurrency is like surfing. It can be exhilarating and rewarding, but also risky if you don't know what you're doing. Do your homework, be cautious, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's talk about some popular types of cryptocurrency. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first decentralized digital currency created in 2009. It's known for its limited supply, making it a potential store of value. 2. Ethereum, ETH, a platform for decentralized apps and smart contracts. Ethereum is more than a currency. It's a global computer network that enables developers to build all kinds of applications. 3. Stablecoins, tethered to a stable asset like the US dollar. Stablecoins aim to provide price stability, making them useful for everyday transactions. 4. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items. NFTs have revolutionized digital ownership and have become a big part of crypto culture. Some other notable players include 1. Binance Coin, BNB. The token used on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. It's one of the fastest growing cryptos and has a wide range of uses within the Binance ecosystem. 2. Solana, SOL. A high-performance blockchain similar to Ethereum but faster and cheaper. It's gained popularity among developers. 3. Cardano, ADA. Known for its strong community and focus on sustainability. Cardano aims to provide a better, more efficient blockchain than Ethereum. 4. Dogecoin, Doge. Initially a joke, Dogecoin has become a beloved member of the crypto community. It's often used for small transactions and tipping. 5. XRP, Ripple. A crypto focused on fast international payments. It's designed to bridge the gaps between different currencies and payment systems. This isn't a comprehensive list, though. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and goals. It's an exciting space with new projects emerging all the time. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room. Is cryptocurrency a bubble? Only time will tell. It's possible that some or even most cryptocurrencies could end up being worthless. But that doesn't mean the underlying technology won't change the world. Think of the dot-com bubble. Yes, many internet companies crashed, but the internet itself didn't go away. Crypto could be at a similar tipping point, where a ton of hype and speculation is pushing prices up, but the true value will eventually shine through. Here's what you can do to be ready. 1. Learn. Educate yourself about crypto and blockchain. Understand the basics. Explore different projects and stay updated on industry news. 2. Be cautious. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or promises of guaranteed returns. Do your own research, diversify your investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. 3. Stay curious. Crypto is constantly evolving. Be prepared to adapt and learn new things as the industry matures. Whether you decide to invest or not, one thing's for sure. Crypto has changed the game. It's challenging the way we think about money, trust, and freedom. It's a movement that won't go away. So keep learning, stay informed, and be ready for what comes next. That's it for this video. Don't forget to show your support if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.